Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to screen mirror your Android to laptop with Windows first. You need to set up your PC, go to Windows settings, then click on System and select projecting to this PC from the left menu. If you don't see the option enabled, click on optional features, then add a feature and install wireless display. Once installed, go back and set it to available everywhere so your laptop can receive connections. Now your PC is ready. Next, grab your Android phone, go to Settings, and search for Cast or Screencast. Open it, and you'll see a list of available devices. Select your Windows laptop from the list. After connecting, your phone screen will instantly appear on your laptop. Anything you do on your phone, apps, videos, or games will be mirrored in real time on your PC. To stop mirroring, simply tap the Smart View or Cast button again on your phone and disconnect. And that's it. Now you can easily mirror your Android screen to your laptop without any cables.